a multiplication game. I will throw 2 dice over here. Whatever the multiplication comes, we have to put our token over here. But there is a twist. If 2 2s are 4 or 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are and 6 6s are comes, then we will get 5 points. Otherwise, only 1 point for each number. Okay? Let's start, Abhinav.
So let's start.
Yes, Abhinav. Start. Let me start first. 5 6 are 30. Come on. Come on. Throw your. 2 1s are
1 is 2.
very nice. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are
3 2s are 3 2s are 16.
3 2s are 6.
3 2s are 6.
5 2s are 10. Come on. 5 2s are 10. 4 6 are
Is 4 6 are 12. 24.
4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Come on. 5 3s are
5 3s are 18.
5 3s are
5 3s are 15.
oh wow 3 3s are 9. I will get 10 points.
Okay.
Come on. 5 1s are
5.
good. 5 1s are 5. 3 3s are 9. Done. Come on. Your turn. Not done. Beginning in it. Not done. Not done. 4 2s are
4 2s are is 8. 4 2s are 8.
8. 5. 6 2s are 12. Oh, 3 3s are 9 is done. My turn. 6 2s are 12. So 6 2s are 12 is also done. Come on. 4 2s are 8.
8.
4 2s are 8. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are
18.
6 3s are 18. 3 1s are 3. Come on. 5 1s are 5.
5 1s are
5 is done. 6 3s are 18. Done. Come on. 5 1s are 5 is also done. 6 4s are 24. Come on. 3 3s are 9 is done. 4 1s are 4. Don't move away now. 5 5s are yes. 5 5s are
is 5 5s are 25.
5 5s are yes. Great. 6 2s are 12. Done. 4 6 are
4 6 are is
24. It's done. 5 6 are 30. Come on. 5 5s are 25 is done. 5 1s are 5 is also done. Come on. Your turn. 6 1s are
6.
6 1s are 6. 3 1s are 3 is done. Come on. 3 1s are 3 is done. No, it's done. 4 3s are 12. 5 1s are 5 is done. 4 2s are 8 is done. Come on. 6 1s are 6 is done. 6 1s are 6 is done. Come on. 4 2 6 2s are 12 is done. 6 6 are 36. Yes. Come on. 4 4s are 16. Hit. 5 3s are 15 is done. Hit. 2 2s are 4. Yes. 1 is left. 5 4s are 20. No. Come on. Try for 5 and 4. 4 and 3. No. 4 and 1. Come on. Yes, 5 4s are 20. Keep it over. Okay, let's count who wins. Okay, Avinav? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, ठीक है. 12 and 10, 22 and 10, 32. 32 and 10, 42 and 10, 52. Abhinav, your score is 52. Let's see mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 and 10, 22 and 10, 32. So your score is 52 and mine is 32. So you are the winner. Congratulations, Abhinav.